Hello everybody! In this video, I'll show you my top 20 apps for Android smartphones.
If you need to recover deleted data, view or restore removed browsing history, Hetman Software Products will help you. Follow the link in the description, download the necessary program for free, install it and analyze the disk. The utility will show you the data you can recover, so you'll be able to view it or get it back. In our channel and blog, you will find solutions to any problem, from installing an operating system or configuring it to fixing possible bugs and errors or optimizing mobile gadgets. Our specialists will answer any questions you ask in your comments under the videos or articles.
And here is a special offer for our subscribers. Watch this video till the end and I'll tell you how to get a file recovery app, Hetman Analyzer, for free. There are about 2 million apps available on Google Play, with dozens more added every day, but not all of them are useful enough, which is natural. It is quite a challenge to find something really worth your attention among all that variety. Google Play's main page is far from ideal, as too many really good apps are passed by, and most of them never make it to the list of most popular or best recommended programs. Talking of the apps I'm going to show today, you may already know some of them, while others will give you an amazing feeling of discovery. Alright, let's have a look at the apps I have chosen. The first one on the list is OneWeather. It will come in handy if you need to know what the weather is like today and tomorrow. With OneWeather, you will always know what's going on outside, and changes in the weather will never catch you off balance. There are lots of similar apps, but OneWeather is arguably one of the best offers. A simple interface made of several pages where you can see the current weather and get to know the weather forecast for 10 days. Find out the amount of rainfall, open the radar and see other statistical data. On top of all that, you get many adjustable widgets and other useful options. For example, you can receive regular notifications about changes in weather conditions and get notified of storm warnings. You can configure all the notifications and even add several locations if you need to know the weather in different regions. When you start the app, it also displays interesting facts about the weather. The next app is designed to change the standard interface of your smartphone. Nova Launcher is a software shell allowing you to configure the graphical interface for devices running Android 4 or higher. This program has lots of advantages when compared to the pre-installed launcher inside your phone. If you don't like the standard interface or you've just grown bored with it, try this app to improve your user experience. Nova Launcher is one of the most popular apps of its kind. It offers a wide range of functions and allows you to fine-tune almost every element of the applications menu and the home screen. When you launch it for the first time, choose it as a shell your smartphone will run as default. With Nova Launcher, you can save all the changes you have made to a separate file. If you ever download and change the firmware for your smartphone, this function will save you the trouble of configuring the graphical interface again. You can use the app to remove the icon grid, move icons and widgets to get any kind of layout you want, and even put them into several layers. If you don't like names under the app icons, you can just disable them. Developers roll out new patches and updates almost every week. About 50 million people have already downloaded and installed this product to their devices, leaving millions of likes and tons of positive feedback. Naturally, this app can be downloaded from Google Play. By the way, you can find links to all the apps in this review under the video. The next group of applications is Google Services. I'm pretty sure you are using some of them already, so I'll describe the most useful apps briefly. Google Drive – a convenient and reliable place to store your files and work with them from virtually any device. It lets you synchronize files between your online account, desktop computers and mobile gadgets. You get 15 GB of storage space for free. This service is very convenient as it allows you to upload your data to a cloud storage and access it from any device, be it a desktop computer, a tablet PC, a laptop, anything. Besides, you can allow other users to view, edit or comment on your files and folders. Google Maps. With this app, you can switch between Street View and Satellite View for maps or any place in the world. Use them to create routes, find local sites, communicate with other people and plan your travels. Google Maps is incredibly easy to use. The app determines your location automatically and displays it on the screen. You can move around the map by holding down your finger, dragging the map and zooming in or out by just moving your finger on the screen. The program makes it possible to download maps and use them autonomously when you're offline. It can show you the distances you have walked while traveling, and it can warn you when the next bus or train will depart. Step-by-step navigation lets you see the distance and estimated time of arrival, and it also offers you alternative routes. Google Assistant – your personal artificial intelligence companion to help you do so many things. Make calls, send messages, manage your affairs, play music, find your way through an unknown area, get to know the latest news and weather forecasts. After installing this app, you can start Google Assistant on your device even faster than ever with a single tap. Meanwhile, you will still be able to launch it by saying "OK Google" or holding down the home screen button. Google Assistant can even recognize the songs playing nearby. YouTube Music is a streaming service for listening to music. This updated service features a collection of officially released tracks by your favorite artist. You can use it to search for musical compositions and get to know new artists thanks to the Recommendations feature. The service will suggest you some tracks and playlists depending on your preferences and location as well as the popularity of content. Google News will select the most interesting articles and arrange it in the best way to ensure comfortable reading. It's hardly possible to be constantly keeping track of everything you are interested in, but this app can help you with following the most important events. The news headlines are updated all the time to contain 5 pieces of relevant news, both local and international. You will always stay informed on the most important events from the world of sports, politics, business, technologies, and even weather. LastPass, a password manager. If you already know or use the LastPass app for PC, here's good news: now it's available for smartphones as well. Just in case you didn't know, LastPass is a 2-in-1 app, a password manager and generator that puts your passwords and personal information into a safe storage. With LastPass, you can keep your logins and passwords, profiles for various online services, create reliable passwords, track personal data in notes, and do tons of other things. All you need to do is to remember the master password to LastPass and let the app fill in login and password fields in your browser. As soon as you install it, you will forget about having to reset your passwords or dealing with your accounts getting blocked. The useful app will remember your passwords and keep your online activities extremely safe. SwiftKey is an alternative keyboard meant to replace the conventional Android on-screen keyboard. SwiftKey is believed to be the best keyboard app by Microsoft. It supports the swipe feature, that is, sliding your finger from the first letter of the word to the last. This keyboard analyzes your writing style and enables you to type even faster. Its main distinction from similar apps is that it remembers both your typing patterns and the way how you put words together. As a result, the app is very good at predicting not only the next letter but even the next word. Sometimes it does so before you actually start typing it. SwiftKey uses emails, SMS, and even posts in social media to learn your writing style. So the longer you use it, the more successful it becomes in predicting the words you are going to type. It also features a large collection of emojis for every occasion. SwiftKey is able to remember your favorite emojis, so we can always send just the right smiley to show your conversation partner what you feel. Evernote is an app to help you arrange your notes properly. If you often create notes, this one will come in handy. All entries are synchronized and can be accessed from any place across the globe. For today, Evernote has become something more than just a note-making app. It can help you manage your plans even on the busiest days. And if you use digital assistants like Google or Siri, you can create, find and update your notes with the help of voice commands. Everything you create in Evernote can be shared with other people. This most useful app will assist you in keeping track of everyday tasks and current projects, and it can even remind you of approaching deadlines, so that you never miss a single thing. Oh, I couldn't possibly miss out Office apps, so the next one on the list is WPS Office. It is a small-sized, less than 35 megabytes, and versatile Office package for Android devices that comes absolutely free of charge, while offering all functions of a full-fledged text editor, including full compatibility with Microsoft Office, Google Docs, Sheets, Slide, Adobe PDF, and OpenOffice. Actually, it is a text editor, scanner and converter all rolled into one. You can easily do all office work on your phone, tablet or any other mobile gadget. WPS Office lets you create, view, edit and exchange text documents, create presentations and even recover deleted documents within 30 days after they were removed. What's more, it can be synchronized with the cloud storage, which is really convenient. On top of all that, it supports 51 languages and all formats of Office files. ES File Explorer is a free and multifunctional file manager to organize your files both locally and over the network. Its main purpose is to manage files, and that is where it excels. It can copy, paste, create and remove documents, search files by name and sort folder contents by such attributes as date modified, size, type and so on. There are two functions especially suitable for the people who keep forgetting where exactly they keep important files. This file manager can add electronic documents to the Favorites section, a kind of a quick access toolbar, and create shortcuts in your phone's home screen, so that you just can't lose an important document. The application manager in ES File Explorer generally has the same functions as in the standard Android app manager, but with a couple of special features. First of all, it can remove system apps if root access is enabled. Secondly, it can backup utilities, that is, create copies of their APKs. It can be useful when you remove a system application but would like to have a chance of recovering it. Messengers like WhatsApp, Viber, Telegram are free apps for Android-based and other smartphones to help you exchange messages. They will use the internet connection of your gadget to send and receive messages and make calls. Use them to exchange text and voice messages, calls, photos, videos and documents absolutely free of charge. In fact, they have very similar functions, and that is why I'm not going to describe each one of them in detail. Oh, and I clearly forgot about the most important app, a browser. I hardly need to remind you that Google Chrome is a convenient, quick and safe browser, offering more functions and flexibility than the pre-installed apps. With Chrome, you will have access to personalized news selections and favorite websites, download various content, and use the integrated Google Search and Google Translate services. Not only can you use the quick search function, but also open your favorite websites in a new tab with a single tap. The special button makes it possible to download videos, images, and entire web pages in one move. Thanks to the built-in Google Translate feature, you can tap on a web page and have it translated in a matter of seconds. The web pages you open in an incognito mode will never be saved to your browsing history. When you sign into Chrome, all bookmarks, passwords and settings get synchronized automatically and become available from any of your devices. ShareIt, an extremely useful app to transfer files between smartphones, tablet PCs and computers at short distances. You can use this application to transfer files without building any networks or generating traffic, and exchange files anywhere, with data transfer rates almost 200 times higher than you would have with Bluetooth. You can choose to transfer almost everything stored on your phone – photos, videos, music, applications, and any other files. Transferring a file is as easy as possible. Select the one you need and get the devices connected. That's all. This app lets you exchange files between devices based on different platforms – smartphones, tablets, and even desktop computers running any of the following: Android, iOS, Windows Phone, or Windows. If you feel you can't get enough from the built-in video player, here's MX Player for you. A powerful app supporting playback for almost all video formats and capable of handling various audio coding formats, subtitles, and advanced hardware acceleration. While working, the application will test your device and then suggest the most suitable codec to be used. You can change the playback speed while the video is playing with a simple move. Go back to watching the file from a previous position, zoom in and out, and navigate the subtitles. PixArt. This application will help you edit a picture right on your phone. PixArt is the #1 photo editor and collage maker for mobile devices. PixArt offers an incredibly wide range of tools to use, lots of effects, collage maker, its own camera application, a free clip art library, an impressive selection of stickers, and other drawing tools. With this program, you can create awesome images, enjoy picture editing by turning photos into collages and memes. I'm sure everyone has at least once had this experience of hearing a track playing somewhere and wondering what the name of the song and the artist are. This app will help you find out what is playing almost immediately. Shazam is one of the most popular apps in the world, with over 100 million people using it every month. It is designed to identify what track is playing and search songs by their lyrics. Now, you don't have to rush into commands to find out what track was used in making the video. Having a smartphone with a Shazam app, you can answer this question for anyone else. For example, when you sit in a cafe and suddenly hear a melody you've been looking for and you never knew the name of the song. Or when you hear a soundtrack from your favorite movie or TV series which you would like to listen to again and again, but you're wondering where you could find it. In both situations, Shazam will be an excellent choice. When you open the app for the first time, you will see the big button in the center of its home screen. Tap on it to start identifying music that is playing. Alarming, an alarm clock with loud music and special missions. Well, I guess you would say, why install one more alarm clock if I've already got one on my phone? Don't hurry with conclusions. It's a different kind of alarm clock that will send you to the bathroom, kitchen or the entrance door in order to stop the alarm. If you have difficulties in getting up with conventional alarm clocks, Alarmer will certainly get you out of the bed. It's been recognized globally as the most annoying alarm clock ever. There are several ways of turning the alarm off. The conventional way, well, there is no need to comment on it. Photo mission, you need to take a picture of a certain object, and when the alarm starts, turn it off by taking a picture of the same object. Shake mission, you will have to shake the phone to stop the alarm. Math mission, to turn off the alarm clock, solve a math problem with difficulty level ranging from simple to advanced. Barcode mission, take a picture of pre-registered barcode to turn off the alarm clock. Next time the alarm goes off, you will have to solve a math problem or go to a previously registered place and take a picture of it. For example, if you have registered the bathroom, your task will be to get out of bed and go to that room to take a photo. Wally. Wally is not just another app with wallpapers for your smartphone, but an entire creative community for artists and designers from all over the world. Instead of an enormous gallery of pictures from doubtful sources, Wally relies on a smaller collection of certified, original and bright images for mobile gadgets obtained from a top artist community. This app is easy to use with a wonderful library full of superb and high-quality images to suit everyone's taste. And, the last but not the least, Wally is very easy to navigate. It was the final item on my top applications list, but here is one more thing to point out. Whether an application is rated as very useful or hardly useful at all depends largely on user habits, so this top 20 list is only my own opinion, and you may or may not like the apps I have selected for myself. Talking of getting a file recovery tool for free, to get Hetman and Eraser free of charge, subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and make sure to share this video in any social network. Send us a link to your post in social media to this address. Giveaway at hetmanrecovery.com, and within a week we'll send you a registration key for 30 days and a special link to download the program. Anyways, if you like this video, click the like button below and subscribe to our channel to see more. Leave comments to let us know about the interesting apps you are using. Thank you for watching and good luck!